Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with Indian writing in English MCQs 300 MCQs. This is the 11th part I have completed from question number 101 to 221. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. These questions are very important एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन ये पसंद आते हैं तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 222। हु रोट yes, who wrote such work as the life divine Urvashi and Bari Babhon? ऑप्शन ए हरेंद्र नाथ चट्टोपाध्याय, ऑप्शन बी नीरज सी चौधरी, ऑप्शन सी अरविंदो घोष एंड ऑप्शन डी भवानी भट्टाचार्य। सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी अरविंदो घोष। यस, ऑप्शन सी अरविंदो घोष इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हेन डिड भवानी भट्टाचार्य गेट हिज फेमस नॉवेल सो मैनी हंगर्स पब्लिश्ड? ऑप्शन 1941, ऑप्शन बी 1942, ऑप्शन सी 1943 एंड ऑप्शन डी 1944। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 1942, सो मैनी हंगर्स बाय भट्टाचार्य पब्लिश्ड। Bankim Chand Chatterjee stormed the literary world by his sweep of imagination, visionary power, and super characterization in one of the following novels. Identify that novel. Option A. Kapal Kundala. Kapala Kundala. Option B. Durgesh Nandini. Option C. The Two Rings. And option D. The Poison. So, Bankim Chand Chatterjee stormed the literary world by his sweep of imagination, visionary power, and super characterization in Kapal Kundala. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 225. Which novel of Bankim Chand Chatterjee narrates the story of Hindu life in Bengal during the contemporary period? Option A. Anand Math. Option B. The Two Rings. Option C. The Poison Tree. And option D. Krishna Kant's Will. So option C. The Poison Tree is the correct answer. Question number 226. Which of the following is not a work of Bankim Chand Chatterjee? Which of the following is not a work of Bankim Chand Chatterjee? Option A. Satkar. Option B. The Deliverance. Option C. Madhavilata. Madhavilata. Option C. Jatara Samalochana. The correct answer is the Deliverance. Option B is the correct answer. One of the following work of Neeraj C. Chaudhary is a treatise on social and family relations in the Indian society. The writer puts forth suggestions as how the relation can be improved for leading a better and happier life. Identify the work. Option A. The Intellectual in India, Continent of Cyrus, the autobiography of an unknown Indian, and To Live or Not to Live. So the correct answer is option D, to live or not to live. Next question है 228. In 1917, Ananda K. Kumaraswamy joined the Museum of Fine Arts as the keeper of Indian arts at option A. Pretoria, option B. Berlin, option C. Boston, and option D. Sydney. The correct answer is option C. Boston. Boston. Sorry. Option C. Boston is the correct answer of 228. Now question number 229. Identify the first poetry collection of Keki and Daruwala. केके अंदारूवाला के फर्स्ट पोएट्री कलेक्शन क्या था? ऑप्शन ए अंडर ओनियन, ऑप्शन बी एप्रीशन इन अप्रैल, winter poems, option C landscape. The correct answer is under Orion, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 230. Which of the following is a collection of short stories by Keki and Daruwala? Option A Crossing of Rivers, option B The Keep of the Dead, option C The Map Maker, option D Sword and Avis. Option D Sword and Avis is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a poem of Keki and Darubala? Option A Fire Hymen, option B The Snob, option C Epileptic, option D Old Sailor. So the correct answer is The Snob. Snob is not a poem by Keki and Darubala. The Hero of the Big Heart by Mulk Raj Anand shares the feature of the writer's humanism. He feels deeply for suffering humanity and is keen to ameliorate their lot. Who is that hero? Option A Anant, option B Taru, option C Sacha, option D Kalha. Option B Taru is the correct answer. Dear friends, if you listen these questions, then you learn this without time. 223. In Two Leaves and Bird, the coolies and peasants are subject to injustice and exploitation by white tea planter. Option A James Hunt, option B Bobby Hunt, option C Clark Hunt, option D Bogie Hunt. So which one is the correct answer? Option D Bogie Hunt is the correct answer. Bogie Hunt. Question number 234. The three novel The Village, Across the Black Waters, and The Sword and Sickle develop the character of option A Naseeb Singh, option B Lal Singh, option C Karnel Singh, option D Gurunam Singh. So option B Lal Singh is the correct answer. Question number 235. Anand described the story of cruel husband A B and weak wife WEAK. Weak wife in Old Woman and the Cow. Who is the couple here? Option A द ओल्ड वुमेन एंड द काउ में जो कपल था वो था पंछा एंड रानो, ऑप्शन बी पंछी एंड गौरी, ऑप्शन सी भुल्लन एंड बुगली, ऑप्शन डी बंता एंड सुक्खू. ऑप्शन बी पंछी एंड गौरी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 236. Identify the poet who has composed these lines. In her hands she holds the oil lamp whose drunken aloe flames nowhere her lovely lonely body hides. Option A Arvindo Ghosh, option B Henry Dereggio, option C Kamala Das, and option D Jayant Mahapatra. So Jayant Mahapatra, option D is the correct answer of 236. Now question number 237. R. Parthasarathy has published only one poem, Rough Passage, which he completed over a period of आर पारसारथी जी ने रफ पैसेज कितने ईयर में कंप्लीट किया था? ऑप्शन ए 10 ईयर, ऑप्शन बी 12 ईयर, ऑप्शन सी 15 ईयर, एंड ऑप्शन डी 18 ईयर. So the correct answer is 15 years. Option C is the correct answer. 15 years. Now question number 230. 238. Which is the third final part of Rough Passage by R. Parthasarathy? Option A Homecoming, option B Trial, option C Exile, and option D none of these. So Homecoming option A is the correct answer. Three village house, a couple of cows named Gopi and Brinda, and one pregnant woman expecting identical twins with no moles on their bodies with different color diapers to tell them apart. Identify the poet who has composed the above lines. Option A R. Parth Sarthi, option B. Nizim Ezekiel, option C. A.K. Ramanujan, and option D Sarojini Naidu. So option C, A.K. Ramanujan is the correct answer. A.K. Ramanujan is the correct answer. Now question number 240. Who wrote I was in love with a husband who did not love, and it was sweet torment to lie with my face against his feet while he slept. Mine was a crushed love, a beautiful and futile emotion. Option A Atiya Hussain, option B Anita Desai, option C Sarojini Naidu, and option D Kamla Das. तो कमला दास जी ने लव और अपने रिलेशनशिप के बारे में लिखा है. कमला दास इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कमला दास, ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 241. Who among the following wrote this? I am not a Hindu and my background make me a natural outsider. Circumstances and decision relate me to India. Option A Ruth Jhabwala. Option B Nizim Ezekiel. Option C K.A. Abbas. Option D Ahmad Ali. So Nizim Ezekiel is the correct answer. डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए. यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार की वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सकें. ऑप्शन लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपको 242. हु कंपोज द फॉलोइंग लाइन? वोमेन इज दिस हैप्पीनेस दिस लाइंग बरीड beneath a man, it's time again to come alive, the world extends a lot beyond his 6 foot frame. Option A Ruth Jhabwala, option B Kamala Das, option C GB Desani, and option D Arundhati Rai. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Kamala Das. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.